some new details in the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO. Let's watch and react, Cave Dwellers.
Of United Health Group breaking his silence. In a guest essay in the New York Times, CEO Andrew Whitty says the U.S. health system, quote, is not perfect and coverage decisions are not well understood. He says the insurance industry needs to improve how we explain what insurance covers and how decisions are made, adding that the system wasn't designed but a patchwork built over decades. Whitty defended UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson, saying he fought to help the sickest people navigate the health system.
I don't like the way he put that. It's like it wasn't designed, it was patchwork. Yeah, it was patchwork, but it's been patchwork by crooked people who purposely muddled the waters and purposely didn't make it clear on what is covered and what not. So that's, I guess he's right technically, right? But that's kind of what the problem is with these insurance companies. They're right technically, and that's what they make you think. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at that. And it's like, oh, it could be right here on page 9, but it's in small print, and they skip past it. So then they could say, oh, well, it was here. You didn't see it? No, you know that. And it was purposely done. It is perfect. It is purposely not clear. That's what he's missing, though. But let's continue.
A live look over Manhattan tonight as the legal case surrounding the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO starts to take shape. We've just learned tonight that the suspect, Luigi Mangione, has retained New York attorney Karen Friedman Agnafilo. You see her there on the left-hand portion of your screen. She previously served as a top aide in Manhattan's district attorney office and has extensive experience in New York's criminal justice system. Mangione is facing second-degree murder, which carries a minimum 15-year sentence. In New York, a first-degree murder charge only applies in a narrow set of circumstances. That includes when the victim is a judge or a police officer, or when the killing is a murder for hire or terrorism.
Damn, that's it? That's crazy. That's all. Oh, so he said he faces second-degree murder. He can't have first-degree because he's not a judge, police officer, first responder, murder for hire, or terrorism. That's crazy. What other state is like that?
Terrorism. Tonight, Mangione remains at a correctional facility in Pennsylvania, but according to DA Alvin Bragg, he's expected to drop his fight against extradition as soon as Tuesday.
Let me see. Let's look up some more.
And Thompson 4 days before he was arrested. 2 senior law enforcement officials tell NBC News that San Francisco police thought the man caught flashing a smile inside a Manhattan hostel looked similar to the 26-year-old in this missing person poster and notified the FBI. One of hundreds of tips the NYPD says it received in the days following the murder.
Wait, he was missing before? What?
Mangione's mother filed the missing persons report in November after having not spoken to her son since July, the report says. The new information comes as the fight to bring Mangione back to New York intensifies.
He should be, and I will continue to say, be prosecuted here in New York City.
Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg suggesting the 26-year-old may soon drop his fight against extradition from Pennsylvania to New York.
We'll be ready whether he is going to waive extradition or whether he's going to contest extradition.
Mangione's attorney has not responded to NBC's request for comment. Meanwhile, investigators are still working to identify a motive. UnitedHealthcare says Mangione was not insured by the company, but the NYPD says written pages found on Mangione mention the company by name, suggesting the murder was more ideological than personal. He also wrote about suffering from debilitating back pain, police say.
The injury that he suffered was a life-changing, life-altering injury, and that's what may have put him on this path.
The why of this horrific ambush fueling a larger conversation around.
You see that? It was somebody else in the corner of that, right there, right here. That might be the person they said he told. Like, I heard he told somebody like to go or something. Or like, that's crazy. This man sitting here had no idea. He didn't even see it coming, man. That's a coward move to shoot somebody in the back. He could at least, I don't know, if you're going to shoot me in the back like that, just call my name first. Yo, Sal, what up? Yo, hey. And then let me at least see you. That's crazy.
Fueling a larger conversation around a flawed healthcare system. Senator Elizabeth Warren making headlines with these remarks on Wednesday.
Violence is never the answer, but you can only push people so far. And then they start to take matters into their own hands.
Thompson's
The Democratic Party know about that, huh?
boss, the CEO of United Health Group, also speaking out, acknowledging in an op-ed the health system does not work as well as it should, calling for changes that make the health system work better for everyone to honor Thompson's life and legacy. And even with the United Health Group CEO's calls for change and denouncing the violence, we have really seen a wave of anger online towards the health insurance industry, which is raising real concerns about potential copycat violence. Just this week, a woman in Florida was charged with threatening her health insurance company. She has pled not guilty, but this is really raising concerns among the NYPD as this case continues to develop, something that they're keeping a very close eye on. Laura?
Priscilla Thompson starting us off this morning. Thank you.
Yeah, they saying that, but like that lady, she just said the lady was charged with threatening. Eventually, you're going to get to the point where, I mean, the freedom of speech. I can say, F them and F them, I hope they die. I can say that, but I get why they're on the edge right now. Like, a lot of times it's copycat killers, and they're like, oh, somebody who's been thinking about it, like, damn, he did it, and they want to do it. I don't know the laws like that in New York and Pennsylvania, so maybe, you know, being Democratic states, maybe they want to, like, I don't know, Philly Pennsylvania voted for, they turned red, right? He might want to go to a different state. Hopefully the Democrats feel sorry for him and let him go. But, I mean, he probably going to go to jail unless he got to, I don't know. Can he have a reason? Y'all let me know. Is there a reason that he could give that would justify this and he won't do no time? I don't know. But the lady took the case, so she must feel like it's something that she could do, or for a lawyer to look at it and somebody they say like, oh my God, she's this big attorney and she got it. I don't know. But this is interesting. Nobody feels sorry for that guy though. People, and it's weird. It's almost like he represents this machine and they're like, oh, well, that's like the news not even reporting on it. Like, it's a sad situation, but the people, if you're out here, the streets is like, well, hey. It's crazy to think, though, right? Let me know what y'all think, kids. Well.